Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers and thank you all so very much for watching and liking and commenting on all of my videos. Today I wanted to share with you everything that happened in the month of April, including everything that I sold and an event that I went to. So the event was called Hats and Pearls. It was through Church of Atlanta Lighthouse, and I'll link their information below. But the event was, I'm trying to find it here. It was a celebration of women, and it was one of the subtitles was "I Am My Sister's Keeper." So it was a wonderful event. I met a lot of wonderful ladies, and they all, they complimented everything that I brought. I brought only bags, handbags, and different things like that, accessories. So I'll show you a picture of me at my table. So of course I was really nervous. I've known about the event for a while, so I took that time to get ready and make sure I made everything. I had plenty of inventory on hand. Didn't sell as much as I wanted to, but I did make the cost of the event. I made that back plus some, so that was a success for me. So my sister came to help me, so I'll show you my sister. And we had a really great time. It was a learning experience. There were 3 other vendors there. Everyone was different. My things were handmade. There was another table, I think paparazzi jewelry, which was actually very cheap. Everything was $5, and a lot of the necklaces come with earrings, so you should definitely look them up. I'll link information in the description box below about them. There was another lady. She was a vendor for a company. They sold different accessories, purses, different things like that. Very elaborate. It was really nice. And one lady, she did handmade African print garments. So we all had something a little different to offer, but overall it was a great experience, a great learning experience. I had fun, even though I was nervous as all get out. But everyone made me really comfortable, and my friend that told me about the event, she made sure people bought from my table. So that was really nice. If you haven't done a vendor event and you've been thinking about doing one, you should definitely do one. It's a lot of fun. So let's talk about everything that I made in April. So first 2 things I made them as an outfit, was McCall 7100 and also Quick Sew 3701, the drop crotch pants. So I've made a few bomber jackets, I think about 3 now, and I just love bomber jackets. I've loved bomber jackets since I was a teenager. So this McCall 7100 will probably get a lot of use. I may need to buy another one just in case I wear that one out. But I think for right now, I'm not going to make any more. Probably when it gets closer to the fall, I'll probably start making more bomber jackets. Especially since I know I can make them out of cotton cloth, which is awesome. But anyway, I made the bomber jacket and the drop crotch pants out of the camel print scuba knit. I'll show you a picture. I have been wanting to make drop crotch pants for a while now. I know Mimi G did a tutorial on her YouTube channel. I'll link that below. And I actually did cut out the pattern. She shows you how to draw out the pattern and everything. I actually drew out the pattern, and I actually cut out the fabric. But it was in black, and I said, you know what, I think I want to do a print. So I have plenty of the camel print, as you all probably can tell, especially if you follow me on Instagram or follow my blog. I use a lot of that camel print. But anyway, so I used the camel print for it, and I wanted the bomber jacket to match. So I decided to put the 2 together, and it was right around the time where it was almost starting to warm up a little bit. In Atlanta we kept having that back and forth weather, so I got it in just in time. Really in love with the outfit, really in love with drop crotch pants. I'll probably be making more of those. They probably won't be as elaborate as those. I may bring the drop crotch up a little bit, but overall I'm in love with the outfit. I can't even express how in love with that outfit I am. Probably a little bit too much, but anyway. That was the first thing I made. Second thing, which I did a tutorial here on the channel, the Simplicity 8557. I did the dress and also the pants, and there's a part 1 and a part 2 sew along here on my channel. I'll link those videos below, but I made those in a blue scuba knit print as well. The camo print and the print that I made the dress and the pants for Simplicity 8557, got them both from Fine Fabrics. They're $5.99 a yard, and it's really nice thick scuba knit. I decided to do a sew along on that pattern. One, because I hadn't done a video in a while. I've been working on purse patterns, and I wanted to sew something that was quick and easy for beginners. That's why I did that Simplicity 8557. Overall, I really like the pattern. I will be making more of the dress because it's really comfortable. You can wear it with tennis shoes like I did, or you can dress it up however, whatever your style is, however you want to wear it. The pants are really comfortable. Because of the fabric that I made it out of, you can actually wear those as workout pants if you want to. But if you are not into that, you can use a different type of print or a solid, and you can wear it like the pattern envelope. But I highly recommend that pattern as well. All right, and the last thing that I made is McCall 6084. This isn't a new pattern. I've had this pattern for a while, so I'm not even sure if it's still available, but it's a cardigan, and it's literally it says 1 hour, and it's literally 1 hour. It comes together so quickly. I actually made 2 in one night. I made the one that I'm going to show you here. And I also made one in a green print. I'll try to find the picture. I'm not sure if I can find it, but if I do find it, I'll post it for you guys. But very quick and easy sew. I think it only has, let's see, I think it only has 3 pieces: the front, the back, and the sleeves. That's it. So if you're looking for a quick cardigan pattern, this is one that you should definitely pick up if it's still available. I'm not really sure, but I'm sure you can probably find it on the website or Etsy or something like that. Right. So that's everything I made in the month of April. Let me know in the comments below if you have made these patterns, if you've ever made these patterns. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in my next one.